Fiti. Naitwa Claudia Walk. Unaitwa?
Watu wote. Jamaa wote.
Yes.
Niambie kuna mabags ziko hapa pia.
Si ndio?
Mali safi.
Fiti. If you are in, welcome to Eastleigh, and if you need bags, this is the only place where you can get legit bags. Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah, my name is Claudia Walk. You can go check me out on YouTube. You subscribe.
You can tell us your channel.
Yeah? Okay, my channel is about traveling for little trips. Yeah, today I'm in the streets of Eastleigh. What happens here, how the place looks like. Yeah.
Very nice. Welcome to there. Very nice. Look like paradise.
My number.
Your name.
Channel, nasema channel.
Kama kasi mtari.
Channel yake. Sorry.
You can take your phone and check. Yeah, Claudia. Okay, thank you so much. So guys, let's keep on walking. You can see people are out for their business. People are here for business. They are out actually. This is the only street of billionaires in Nairobi, Kenya. And if you want me to prove wrong, just look. Look at those beautiful bags there. Commercial hub, The place is full of Somali people. And guys, this is the only place where you can get your item. I don't know the name to use, but yes, your items, clothes, bags at a cheap price. The busy streets of Eastleigh. So guys, sun is too hot. The road to 5,000 subscribers. If you have not subscribed, can you subscribe? And guys, not only the business we are seeing outside, guys, we have also malls. We have over, I think over 100 malls here in the city. Look at how people are buying here. Christmas mood. So guys, it's a festive mood and people are shopping for the season, guys. Look. I don't know whether I should join them to shop too. Should I join them? Let me know. People are shopping. Look. Look at this beautiful mall here. I love everything about Eastleigh. home of Somali people. If you live around Eastleigh, let me know. If you have a business in Eastleigh, you can let me know. We can as well promote. Oh, look. These are everything looks here. Busy street, eh? Hey, even men are shopping, guys. Look. The place is so congested here. See how this place is, guys. See how people are shopping for Christmas. And if you love this video, if you like it, if you are enjoying the video, can you subscribe, share with your friends? Let me know the other street you want me to go. Let me know if you know any other streets you want me to show you around. Mimi unataka utembee tembee. The malls are also occupied. Look at this. This is easy. What's up, these guys? Guys, I'm trying to squeeze myself somewhere so that I can get away. You will bear with me. Bear with me. Look. Guys, one thing I like about Eastleigh, people are so busy. Everyone is minding their own business. I'm just minding they are just minding their own business. I'm filming and everybody is busy. So guys, I should also be careful with my camera. I I don't know whether the streets are safe. Yeah. Yes, I love how people are overworking here. Look, man. I like how people are busy here. But guys, I know 90%, not 90%, but 50% of you are watching the videos but have not subscribed. Guys, it's free. Make sure you subscribe. Free of charge, no charges.
Poa sana. Sasa kama ongele tu hapo. Nenda ni niende. Blanda si yako. What I'm showing with.
The streets are so busy, guys. Struggling to get away. So guys, the streets are so busy and I think I should end my video here. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, make sure you share with your friends. Till next time, bye bye.